Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in his address today that a key government scheme to distribute free food grains to 80 crore people, India's poorest, would be extended till the month of November to give relief during the festival season as the country fights coronavirus. Keeping in mind all the festivals that are coming up in the next few months, this scheme to provide 80 crore people with 5 kg free ration and 1 kg dal per month will now be extended till Diwali and Chhath Puja or till the end of November, PM Modi said, addressing the nation for the 6th time after the coronavirus outbreak. Though the Prime Minister made no mention of China in the 17-minute speech, his first address to the nation since the June 15 clash in Ladakh, in which 20 Indian soldiers were killed in the line of duty. Moving on to the next news, China said today that it was concerned about the Indian government blocking 59 mostly Chinese apps including TikTok and WeChat and was verifying the situation. China is strongly concerned, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian was quoted by ANI as saying. He also told reporters during a daily briefing that India has a responsibility to uphold the rights of Chinese businesses. Moving on to the next news, the Chinese forces, in order to claim the disputed territory in contested Fingers region of Ladakh's Pangong Tso Lake, have inscribed a massive Mandarin symbol and map of China onto the ground they occupy. Located between Finger 4 and Finger 5, the inscriptions measure approximately 81 meters in length and 25 meters in breadth and are large enough to be clearly spotted by passing imagery satellites. Wang Hejian, the overall commander of Chinese forces in Tibet, was photographed repainting the character of China in a frontier position along the India-China boundary earlier this week. Moving on to the next news, people across major cities in Maharashtra, including Bollywood celebrities in Mumbai, were left shocked by the month's exorbitant electricity bill and have accused the power companies of issuing inflated invoices. Though the State Minister for Energy had assured that power companies were not cheating people, the Chief Minister's office today said it has directed power companies to transparently resolve all complaints. Uddhav Thackeray tweeted, taking stock of rising number of consumer complaints related to exorbitant electricity bills, Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Commission has directed power companies to show transparency in its billing procedures and readdress the consumer complaints immediately. Moving on to the next news, a new type of swine flu has been discovered by researchers in China which is capable of triggering a pandemic, according to a study published on Monday in the US science journal PNAS. This virus, descending from H1N1 strain which caused a pandemic in 2009, is named G4. The authors, scientists at Chinese universities and China's Center for Disease Control and Prevention say that the new virus possesses all the essential hallmarks of being highly adapted to infect humans.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.